Infinix unveiled the GT20 Pro with Dimensity 8200 Ultimate paired with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. It runs XOS 14 out of the box, and Infinix has promised 2 Android version upgrades and 3 years of security updates for the smartphone. Infinix GT20 Pro has a Pixelworks X5 Turbo dedicated gaming display chip under the hood, making it the brand's first dual-chip smartphone. The chip employs motion estimation and motion compensation game frame rates to boost the frame rates from 60 FPS to up to 120 FPS for a smooth gaming experience. It can also improve the picture quality. Infinix GT20 Pro also comes with an esports mode tailored for professional esports scenarios. And to keep the phone cool, there's a VC liquid cooling system on board that's 73% larger, while the primary heat source area for targeted cooling now has more than 66% thermal conductivity. It also features a Mecha Loop LED interface, meaning the phone's rear panel sports customizable RGB LEDs supporting 8 color combos and 4 lighting effects. The phone is built around a 6.78-inch 144Hz LTPS AMOLED display, a centered punch hole for the 32-megapixel selfie camera, 108-megapixel primary camera, and 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt charging.